This is how I made 400 bucks with this side hustle. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we were at the flea market. Like you saw in the intro, I made 400 bucks. The way I did it, I went to Goodwill bins, bought a lot of jeans, basic brands like Old Navy, Abercrombie, Fitch, American Eagle, all those brands that you can find a lot, like in quantity at the Goodwill bins. I got them between $1 and $2. Came to here at the flea market, probably like, man, I don't even know, more than 100 pairs of jeans. You'll see some clips of me thrifting them. I bought a lot of them, but I was selling them at $5 a pop, and I made pretty good money. And I also brought a couple of lower tier vintage t-shirts and graphic t-shirts. A whole big pile of stuff. Found some pretty cool stuff in there. Show you in a minute. Here looking for a bunch of jeans. I already filled up one bag. I just did really good again right now. Got a bunch of stuff. We got a little lunch break right now. These rebanadas, you gotta try them. That's the best. I paid 101 and I got 85 pounds of stuff. What's up, guys? This is the day before I go to the flea market. Just packing up the car, making sure I can just wake up, drink my coffee, and take off. I'll see you in the morning. We just got here. Time to set up. Kind of how we're looking right now. I even got my signs up. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. Todos cinco. Todas las camisas, los pantalones, las gorras. Sun finally came out. Way better like this, just got hot. Vintage tees and stuff have been doing a little bit better. I had this rack full. I'm already selling out. I sold through most of the guys' jeans right there. Still got some left over on the women's jeans, but it's almost time to pack it up and call it a day. It's getting hot out here and I'm starving.